welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rita. I'm here again with another video. On today's video, we'll be discussing about your first stage of weaning your baby onto eating solid food, or how you can make your baby to be eating solid food. So quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a health worker. It's just my own experience as a mom I'm sharing with you guys. So if you want to know, keep on watching. So guys, the first thing you want to do, you want to know if your baby is ready to be eating solid food. And there are two things that you make you to know that the baby is ready. One is the baby will show sign of eating, attraction that is ready to be eating. So whenever you are eating, you see the baby want to touch, you want to collect whatever is in your mouth, you want to take it from you, you want to eat. So if you are eating carrot, you are eating granite, whatever, or you are holding a spoon, you want to collect the spoon from you and take it and put in his mouth. Whatever you are eating, you see the baby showing sign that is ready to be eating. So you want to eat what you are eating, you want to take it from you. So those are the signs you know the baby is ready to be eating solid food. And there's another thing again that you make you to know the baby is ready to eat solid food is cry. You see the baby will be crying. You will breastfeed the baby just now. You see, you will still be crying, you'll be crying, you'll be crying. Why? Because the breast milk is no longer enough for him. So the stomach is still open. So you see, even if you breastfeed him now, you see you will still be crying, you will still be crying. So it means that the breast milk is no longer enough for him. So what you want to do is for you to start introducing solid food to your baby. But if you want to introduce the solid food to your baby at that stage that you notice that the breast milk is no longer enough for him, you have to wait at least 4 months, because that's what the health worker recommended. They recommended for you to breastfeed your baby exclusively 6 months. So if you can't wait up to 6 months, you can start from 4 months. But anything below 4 months is not advisable. So if you get to know that the breast milk is not enough for him and he's showing sign of eating on his own, try to wait till up to 4 months before you start introducing him to breast milk. So, and what are the first thing, the first food that you eat? The first food you give to your baby is like, for example, rice puree, carrot, sweet potato, peas. So those are the things you start first, your first weaning. Those are the things you start, and you make them very sleepy, very soft, because he's eating this new, is the new baby, he doesn't know how to eat yet. So you make sure those, when you want to prepare, you prepare it very sleepy. So for example, when you make it, you can extract a breast milk or formula and mix it and make it a little bit lighter, so it will be easy for the baby to swallow, because it's first stage. So those are the things you do. Make it a little bit sleepy, very light. So you make it like that. And what are the things that you need to start up with giving your baby solid food? Number one thing you need a blender, hand blender. If you have hand blender, you have a steaming pot, a spoon, a little bowl, and a plastic little spoon to be eating the food, and a cup of water, like something like this. I have it 2 hands. You can use something like this for the baby. So you introduce it to the one that have 2 hands, so it will be easy for him to be feeding himself later on. So you will not be stressing yourself to feed him later. So those are the things you need. But you need a bib, to put a bib here on his neck, and a share. But the thing, if you don't have all those things, use what you have. Use what you have. Like me, I don't have a share. I didn't put them in a share. I just put them in my hand and I feed them. So, and you have to make sure your baby neck is very okay, is strong enough to start sitting on his own, and start sitting on your hand if you are using hand. Those are the things to check before you start up, because it's stage by stage. So you have to make sure those things are very intact. You know those things are okay before you start giving your baby the solid food. So by the time you start all those things, you go into the process. And how do you prepare it? You can prepare it by putting it in your pot and cook it on your own way, or you can put it in steaming pot. The steaming pot is advisable because it will retain most of the nutrient more than cooking it in a pot. But use what you have. Use what you have to start. So, and when you bring it, maybe you start with carrots. You boil it very soft, and use a spoon, a fork to just smash it mash it very strong, and you mix it with your breast milk or a formula, and you give to the baby. So people recommend to give the baby maybe one food in a week. For example, if you are giving him a carrot this week, you give him the carrot next week. But for me, I find it is too boring for somebody to be eating one food for like a week, because it's the baby, they have taste, they have feelings, so it's too much. You can just be changing it. For example, if you are lazy mom, you can do it, change it every 2 days, like that. Maybe today you give him carrot, today, tomorrow, next tomorrow you give him sweet potato, the next day you do apple, just like that. Be changing it, but giving him one food for 1 week is too boring, and no. So that is another thing. So it's up to you if you want to give your baby one food for 1 week. It's not, but it's advisable to be changing it so it will be looking fresh and yummy. You understand? The baby feel like to be eating. So another thing, sometimes the baby, when you give the food, they will not eat. Give the food, they will not eat. It's patient. You have to have patience. You understand? Because it's their first time of eating, so they've not tried it before. So you have to be patient. If you see the baby, your baby is not eating, leave him. Don't force him. You bring the food, you put in his mouth, you see him do like this, meaning he's not eating, or maybe his stomach is full, or you put the spoon in his mouth, he doesn't open his mouth, you see, you know the food is full, he's not ready to be eaten, or he has food already, he's not hungry, or things like that. So don't try to force your baby to be eating. If you don't want to eat, leave him. Try again, he will eat. If you don't want to eat, leave him, try again. So it's just like that, step by step. So like that. And you, the mom, be patient. Let her take it slowly. So it's stage by stage. So those are the things you apply to where you want to start giving your baby solid food. For you to know if the baby is ready to be eating, the kind of food you will be eating: apple, sweet potato, carrot, peas. Those are the foods recommended, the first stage of food to be eaten, and make it sleepy for the baby to be soft before you feed the artist. You need those things I mentioned before. Steamy pot, those are the things you miss. So those are my tips on giving your baby solid food. So if you find this tip helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. I share tips about parenting. So if you like any tip, you are mother, you like what you see, make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss any of my video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next video.